सरकार पणजे पालिकेचेर अन्याय करता, फंड सामको उणो दिता। इतल्या उण्या फंडान पणजेची कामां जावप शक्य ना। तांचो मेयर आसतना ते हात सोडून दिताले असो आरोप पणजेचो मेयर सुरेंद्र फुर्तादोन केला। जिसुडा आनी सीसीपीच्या जोड पालवान आल्तिनात स्वच्छ भारत अभियान जाले। ह्या वेळार ते उलयताले।
When Mr. Manohar Parrikar was the Chief Minister of Goa, he had kept 50 crores for CCP when Vaidehi Naik was the mayor. No files went to DMA. After that, 30 crores were kept for CCP, nothing went to DMA. Now last year 20 crores were kept during my tenure. To my shock, when I came to know through the budget, the present Chief Minister, who was the ex-Chief Minister of, I am ex-MLA of Panjim, kept 5 crores. Last year it was 20 crores, he gave 5 crores for CCP, for development fund. And from these 5 crores, I was again shocked that the DMA has released 2.80 crores for releasing the fund to High Court for a land acquisition case which has been pending of Hindu crematorium. Imagine from 5 crores to 80 crores goes for land acquisition of Hindu crematorium. We are left with 2 crores 20 lakhs. You tell me what can be done.
सरकाराक जर दिसता की पणजे महानगरपालिकेन फंड उबारूंक जाय जाल्यार हाऊस टॅक्स आनी हेर टॅक्स वाडोवचे पडटले अशेंय फुर्तादोन म्हणले।
Everything was sanctioned, funds have not been released. I have asked for a weed cutting machine, pruners, water tanker for the gardens. Everything has been sanctioned, but funds have not been coming. So you tell me, what can I do? If the government wanted I should do through my fund, I will have to raise the house taxes and other taxes, for which again the people of Panjim will start kicking at me. I am helpless. The MLA of Panjim should step in and see why that from 20 crores only 5 crores were kept, and from 5 crores of development why 2.80 crores were released for the Hindu crematorium land acquisition.
सरकारान कोयर उडोवपाक आमकां एक जागा दिवची, मागीर पणजेतली कोयराची समस्या ना करता अशेंय ताणें म्हणले।
The blame game is on CCP. That CCP is not lifting the garbage. CCP has been asking n number of times, writing letters to the government saying that please give us a dump site. If the government can give us a dump site for dry leaf waste and mud, dumping of mud, I can assure you within 1 week I will clear the entire city.
आल्तिनार पणजेचो आमदार सिद्धार्थ कुंकळकार आशिल्लो तो स्वच्छ भारत अभियानाविशीं उलयलो।
आमचो नरेंद्र मोदींचो जे मिशन स्वच्छ भारत ताणें सांगलां आमकां, ते ताजे फुलफिलमेंट आमी सगळ्या आमच्या जिवनांत येवपाक जाय, फक्त एक दीस ड्रायव करून न्ही। आनी म्हणून आमी सगळ्या आल्तीनचे रेजिडेंटांक अपील केल्लें की सगळे जाण आमकां जॉयन जाया। एंड दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ अवेरनेस की खंय तरी आमचो वाठार, आमचें घर, आमच्या घरा भायलो वाठार, रस्तो, शहर, स्टेट, देश हो सगळो स्वच्छ जावचो, आनी स्वच्छ जावपाक आमी बरे हॅबिट्स इनकल्केट करचे पडटले।
प्रुडंटा खातीर निलेश परवार।
घेऊया एक ब्रेक।